So today we've got a nice introduction of the UltiMaker Factor 4. As UltiMaker ecosystem partner, we were involved early to be able to optimize our material profiles on the new printer, so we can ensure that Ultrafuse materials will work perfectly with the new machine at launch. So in our Ultrafuse TPU 805A, we've printed an install application. The TPU is very suitable for this because we have biocompatibility certifications for it, and the material works very well on the closed-loop extrusion system. The improved automatic material handling system will ensure that our materials stay dry. Our Ultrafuse PET and TPU benefit a lot from a dry environment. Printing will be more stable when using this system. The second feature is the direct drive extruder. This is essential to have. I expect that TPUs will perform much better, and it might open up new possibilities for even softer materials. We've printed a production puck, which is used in an assembly line. We've used our Ultrafuse recycled PET for this. Ultrafuse recycled PET offers a life cycle assessment, and in combination with the Factor 4 we are able to print this part reliably with 3 batches with the least amount of environmental impact. We have also validated our metal filaments Ultrafuse 316L and 74pH to be compatible with the machine at launch. I think the UltiMaker Factor 4 can be interesting for customers in the prosthetics footwear industry to print, for example, flexible applications with our Ultrafuse materials at an industrial level. So as BASF, we're looking forward to a consistent platform to further optimize productivity without compromising